Good morning, beautiful people. It is May 7th, 2024. It's about 60 degrees out, sunny, 8:45 a.m. and I'm on the job. I'm getting ready to start a bathroom remodel. So we're gonna go get started now. I'll show you what it looks like before I get started. Here's the bathroom. This is before taking all this stuff out. Taking all this tile out. Taking that window trim out. I'll leave the window unless it's rotten. If it's rotten, then I'm gonna take it out completely and cover it all up. Put the new siding outside and everything. But anyway, this is what it looks like now. I'm ready to start demoing. I gotta fix this floor too. It's squeaking. Well, there you have it, guys. The start of a bath remodel. So it'll be fun. Thanks for watching.